Edo State Commissioner of Police CP Funsho Adegboye don hold one talk session to chook mouth on the incident wey shele for the Benin Airport on Wednesday 18 July 2024. The commissioner kon yarn say investigation dey go on to find the people wey get hand for the murder of Inspector Onu Aku and the attempted murder of a sitting senator and the Edo All Progressive Congress APC gubernatorial candidate Senator Monday Okpebholo. CP Funsho Adegboye kon talk say
investigations are in top gear to unravel the mysteries surrounding the circumstances that led to the murder of the gallant Inspector of Police and the attempted murder of the distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo. We are not leaving any stone unturned. They abandoned their known addresses. That is why we took another step of dropping invitation to their relatives. Meanwhile, if they fail to honor this, the appropriate legal procedures will be followed, and this may include declaring them wanted. We respect people, no matter the class the person belongs to. The PRO inadvertently referred to the distinguished senator as one Monday. It is not in our character. The Inspector General of Police, IGP, Kayode Adeolu Egbetokun, PhD, NPM, was disturbed. Myself and disturbed other senior members of the police were disturbed about this. I want to use this opportunity to correct that almost unpardonable error. The senator is a serving and distinguished senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Senator Monday Okpebholo is the gubernatorial candidate of the All Progressive Congress, the APC, in the forthcoming September 21st governorship election in Edo State. We hold him in high esteem as a distinguished and serving senator. So the error, as I said, is highly regretted, and appropriate sanctions is being meted out to the erring police officer.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.